Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. I would love for you all to come and spend the morning into the middle of the day with me. We are getting started first off the bat with a mile on the walking pad. I'm just trying to get a little bit more movement in, and first thing in the morning it just kind of gets me pumped up and ready to go. So this morning I actually got up at 5 a.m. and made a fresh batch of my protein bagels. These are absolutely delicious. If you have not tried the protein bagels, highly recommend it. It's just flour and Greek yogurt and then a little bit of baking powder. I am telling you what, I will never ever make bagels any other way again. These are absolutely amazing, and I actually made some jalapeno cheddar ones the other week. Oh my goodness, they were so good. I will link the recipe that I do follow below, and I really hope you guys get to try it because I'm telling you what, they just blow me away. I'm also going to share a really yummy lunch recipe with you all today. It is a spinach feta, like white pizza. I got these really good naan flatbread things from Sam's the other day and came up with this. It's, I'm sure it's a basic recipe, but anyways, it only takes like a few minutes to make and it is so tasty. I'm getting breakfast prepped for the kids. We usually just go for pancakes or waffles, and I always prep these at the beginning of the week. I have two specific recipes that I follow, and then I just pop them in my toaster, and then they are ready to go. And I was really interested in this Bomb Pop flavored collagen that I found at Sam's the other day, so we're giving that a try. It's pretty tasty. Just got the kids fed breakfast, and I'm coming out to give the meat birds a few scraps. I've got all the other chickens around me right now. I didn't put sandals on today. You guys can't eat my toes. I come out in my Croc flip-flops, and the chickens want to eat my toes every time. So anyways, we're going to feed the scraps. Look how good the garden's looking besides the weeds. Feed these chickens some scraps, and then I'm gonna play ball with the dogs for a few minutes, and then I need to harvest a few green beans. No, no, you don't eat me. Don't eat me. Where's the bat at, Izzy, so we can play ball? So these are all actually volunteer sunflowers. Last year, I chucked a sunflower stalk out of the garden into the grass in this area over here, and I didn't think anything of it. And then this spring, I started to notice these sunflowers coming up, and I looked at them, I was like, okay, those are definitely sunflowers. So I made Colby mow around them all summer, and now I have these gorgeous sunflowers. I am picking green beans. What are you doing? Oh, hey, buddy. Okay, so I may have been seeing things because I thought there was a lot more green beans to harvest, but I guess not. But we're gonna go ahead and snag this cucumber. So I do have a couple little cherry tomatoes that are ready, and this is the first time harvesting them, and I'm going to let my son have the first one because he is obsessed with the tomatoes. Like last year, I left him alone with Colby, and I came home, everybody was outside, and I was like, well, where's Jackson? He's like, oh, he's just in the garden. The child ate like, I don't even know how many tomatoes, probably not a good amount. And I'll just say, when I changed his diaper the next day, I'm surprised there was not tomatoes growing. Anyways, so I'm gonna let him have the first one.
Yeah.
Jackson, you want the first tomato?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He can have the red one.
Here, buddy. Would you like the first tomato we got? Let me see you enjoy it. Is it yummy? Oh, he's grabbed another one. Is it good? Is it good? Well, I think we ate the stem and all. Did you eat the stem? I have lots of cucumbers I need to use up, so I'm just going to make a simple cucumber salad. I'm just doing cucumbers, feta, onion, and then some balsamic vinegar and olive oil. Now we're gonna go ahead and get started with this pizza. I started with a naan flatbread from Sam's Club. It came in like a 10-pack. I've never tried them before, and I was like, oh, these look pretty. Let me try these. And then we'll put a half a cup of mozzarella on top. And then I just came in with some minced garlic, added that in. And then I also came in and sprinkled some garlic powder on top. We then came in with some spinach, and I'll tell you, I lost the lid to the feta cheese the other day and I could not find it anywhere, and I just found it in between these two salad containers. I lost my mind trying to find that lid. Oh my goodness. So we'll add in the spinach, and then I'll come in and add in some of the red onion, and then I will put some feta cheese on top, and then we're gonna bake this at 400 for like max 45 minutes. It'll just get it nice and cheesy and melty. And then I'll come in and drizzle some olive oil on top, and I am telling you what, it is so good, so quick, so good. Yum, yum. Melon? So we just got cleaned up after lunch, and then we are doing a load of laundry, switching it over. A load of laundry a day keeps laundry away, I like to say. I like to make myself think, at least, right? It just still seems to never end. So after we got a few of our chores done, we are heading outside for the day. We like to get outside as much as possible, soak in the sun, soak in the nature, all of that. We ended up doing a cute little craft. I cut out some butterflies out of cardboard and then poked some holes in them, and the girls went through our cut flower garden and added flowers into these little butterflies and just made a cute little butterfly craft.
No,